It's another day with the Squinty Ginger. It's another day of 100-degree Texas heat. It's another day of running errands to build some sweet trucks. Yeah, we're running with the boy today. And by boy, that's not really a shot at your age. I just was trying to think of something, and that's what came out. So.
Boy, that's the first thing that you got, James?
I don't know. If I say something like referring to race or something else, like somebody's gonna comment like.
You're gonna call me the. I'm fine with that.
We're gonna have to bleep that word out for sure.
I'll call you the.
We're gonna have to bleep that one out as well. All right. We're running to Home Depot so we can hang our new merch shirts on display in the showroom, and then we are making a long-awaited trip to the House of Powder top coat.
Yeah, that's a good name for a powder coating place. House of Powder.
I think I was just talking about House of Hot Rod's slam dually thing that they have, and that's it was just fresh on my mind. So
damn, somebody's gonna steal that name probably.
Yeah, well, we can sue them later. But yeah, so we got some stuff over there. If you recall previous videos, we're about to have a couple trucks come together, and they're gonna be wild. So let's go pick this stuff up. I would say check out the quality that Top Coat put out, but we already know that's gonna be 10 out of 10. But still excited to see it. You know how it is. But anyways, off to Home Depot. Much sweatier, but we have acquired truck parts. And you want to stop and do a little dip in this water runoff for hydro testing or whatever they're doing.
What you mean?
It's a little pond right there on the side of the road. Go cool off real quick. Take a dip.
Oh, you're being. I thought you wanted me to stop to record the parts or something.
Oh no, it's a water leak. Look, it's coming out of the ground.
Holy crap!
We got a water main leak right here.
We got a little.
It's coming up out right here too.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Right there. Oh crap! What the heck? We got a little Niagara Falls.
That'd be nasty, bro.
I've gotten some nasty water in the Can-Am.
Yeah, I bet.
I've gone through some nasty.
I don't know. City nasty is different than
I've gone through the Trinity River and the Can-Am.
Okay, so that's city nasty for sure. Have you really?
Yeah.
South of Fort Worth and Dallas? Or north? You went up north though, right?
Or what do you mean?
Before the water passes through DFW, or after?
Over there, and it was in Irving at this little place.
In the middle of Dallas Fort Worth.
Yeah.
Dang, you might have cancer now.
Yeah, it didn't smell too good.
You need east stuff.
Yeah. It didn't smell.
So we'll check back in about 6 months when Christian's in the hospital.
No, that was 6 months ago. Probably longer. So I'm good.
Okay.
I just made sure I kept my mouth closed the whole time. Didn't talk.
That's probably a good plan.
Because I wasn't risking a little drop of that water getting in my mouth.
All right, so we got parts from Top Coat. Quality on the axles looks amazing as always. We might stop to get some food, but we are
definitely
excited to see these wheels and the Kelderman for sure. When's the Kelderman truck coming in?
I think we could probably, because we can't have two big builds in the shop probably at once. It's not.
You could, but then we would really
but
slow down our volume.
And we're doing this for you guys, our customers that are coming in, you know, with just that are getting y'all's truck lifted, like normal stuff we normally do. If we had two of these big builds in the shop at once, I mean, we pretty much would be closed to those 2 builds till they got done. So
yeah,
if we do just one, you know, we'll still be able to keep y'all's vehicles getting worked on.
Still could do some 3 and 4 inch lifts.
Yeah.
But the Kelderman's just waiting on this stuff, right?
Yeah, so I think we're gonna knock out the Striker first, and then after the Striker we'll get the Kelderman in.
So some pretty good content on the way, because that's 2 like
Big build.
top of the line, like quality custom builds. So anyways, get some food and see you back at the shop. I think my strap already came loose.
Nah, I still see it back there.
Oh, I was looking at yours over here on the side of the trailer.
Oh, mine came loose?
No, it's like, we're good. Straps are good in the back. Not that we really need them, because everything back there weighs 1,000 pounds or a couple 1,000 pounds. But anyways.
How much weight do you think we have back there? We have a set of wheels, 24 by 14. I mean 24 by 12 American Force wheels.
And those probably are like what, 100 pounds a piece, 75 pounds a piece?
Yeah. Front and rear axles.
For a dually.
And a full Kelderman kit.
6-inch Kelderman lift. Without the airbags.
Just the metal pieces.
Yeah. I don't know, probably, what do you think those axles weigh?
Dude, those things are heavy. I think in axles alone, what do you think? It's probably, they're probably like,
that rear axle is like obnoxiously
500
heavy.
pounds each?
Yeah.
They probably just have like, I'd say maybe 2,500 pounds.
I think it's safe. I mean, it doesn't feel like you're towing crazy or anything. Definitely not skipping around like an empty trailer anymore, but all right. We might be able to have a more accurate guess after lunch. I'm freaking hungry.
What are we eating?
I don't know. This is, yeah, we'll cut this boring part of figuring out what we're gonna eat out of the video.
I know Dave was, what was that black piece of truck? Yeah.
Ooh! Look!
Who's this for?
My Kelderman?
Nice. You polished out. Some of this, you know.
That's from the caps in here. Does yours match?
Huh?
Yours match? 1 to 1. That was a good placement that you had that there. And that's everything. But while we're unloading this one, pretty sure a big Cognito lift just showed up too, which is really sweet. What you got?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Ah,
What's your guess?
lift kit.
What kind?
Cognito.
Dang, that's 3 huge lifts in the shop all at once.
Yeah.
What?
Christian's doing them. He's gonna do all 3.
Install all 3, align all 3.
No, he's gonna fucking do them all 3.
That's what I'm saying, install and align.
Yeah. This boy right here. That's why he went to mechanic school for 5 years. And then did alignment school for 2 years. So, yeah, he's old. Like,
Yeah.
He's 30 something years old. He's getting the big bucks. I'm paying 2,500 a week. And he only works from 10 to 5. Monday to Friday.
Do you always use your left foot to brake?
Huh? I thought it was clutch.
Oh.
Coming in clutch.
Illusion Royal.
Oh, Vegas! That bitch is nice, bro. Ah, no mames, ¿va a llevar train horns?
Oh, it's a Kelderman.
Oh, Kelderman, airbags. Yeah. How much is this running, Christian? Like
A lot of money.
some, because I have people asking about the Kelderman. Is it really that expensive? How much you think it is?
A lot of money.
Ballpark price?
What? Just for the lift?
Just the lift, no install, just the lift.
Like just the lift raw with with
Powder coated and everything.
No install?
No install. Or install, whatever.
I don't remember.
I should take this. Customer service is key. Cowboys Customs, this is Ben. How can I help you?